If you're looking for a profitable trade to take this week, then you may consider EURCAD currency pair, which is giving us an opportunity to make over 300 pips from the market this week. So this is the 4 hours chart of EURCAD, and looking from the left, we find out that this market had been in a range and also within this falling channel. However, around early October, we got a break below this channel, which was a liquidity sweep. So now that these liquidities have all been swept, the market has reclaimed this range. Okay, it has reclaimed the bottom of this range. The market formed an inverse head and shoulder pattern, which is a bullish reversal pattern. So here is the left shoulder, here is the head, and this is the right shoulder. We got a breakout of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. That is exactly what we're going to be trading this week. So here is the break of this inverse head and shoulder pattern. So we got a breakout at this point, giving us an opportunity to go long. So with the inverse head and shoulder pattern broken at this point, the target for this move will be the height of this inverse head and shoulder pattern, which will be around 1.52698. That would be the target. However, we need to look for the best price to enter the market. So looking at the current price, we find out that the market is just right below a supply zone. Okay, it's right below a resistance. So this has been a strong resistance. So it will not be right or appropriate for someone to be buying at that point, because you may have price pull back into this very demand zone. So the best entry will always be for you to wait for price to return back to this demand zone. So from this demand zone, we look for buy opportunities so that we can maximize gains and minimize losses. So price coming down within this demand zone will give us a good entry so that we can join the market and move towards these highs. That will be a good trade opportunity for the week for anyone who wants to trade EURCAD. Thank you for watching. Ensure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my next video.